weli waxaan ku jirnaa safarkeennii aan kaga nimid magaalada Nakuru oo aan ugu soconay magaalada Nairobi waxaan qaali shidaal ah runaantii wadankan ma sha Allah aad buu horumarsan yahay meesha magaalada Nakuru waxaan u soconaa magaalada Nairobi waxaan kaga soo gudbin doonaa fiidiyoyo tripkan iyo inta aan ku suganahay magaalada wadanka Kenya qaasatan nolosha Nakuru iyo Nairobi kadibna waxaan isbarbar dhigi doonaa wadanka Masar iyo dalka Kenya noloshiisa waxaan kaga soo waramay hadda ka hor nolosha dalka Masar haddana waxaan idinkaga soo warami doonaa nolosha dalka Kenya sidaad u joogtaan u jeedaan magaalada Nakuru waa magaalo cagaar ah oo aad roobka uga da'o oo maalin Ramadaana bishuna ay tahay 25 noloshu waxay u socotaa sidii caadiga ahayd geesaha wadooyinka halkani xaafadan waxaa la yiraahdaa Kiamunyu waa mid ka mid ah xaafadaha magaalada telefonada waa la kala dhaqaa daaqada laga gacanta koonda la qalaya hatri koonda qort koonda la qalaya aliso sama ama adiga lagu la baxa xamdi intay telefoonku moodaan كذلك لدي ثلاث لو إندود ليه عندنا لو إندود عليه لو صنوا ليه ليه أيوة أنت صورت أنت قارن صورت راح ترى واقع حبدي واسكت هذه ثلاث قضية. What was your name again?
Steven.
Steven. Yeah. What was the language you were speaking?
Kikuyu.
Kikuyu, okay. So all Kikuyu they speak only one language or different?
All Kikuyu speak Kikuyu language.
Kikuyu language.
Only one.
Only one. Okay. Okay. ميا كو قصشان ايضا هلسا
ميا يعني ما كو قصلنا لكن فن واسكعين قصل
كا تارغدو سميا شقديس وا تارك سمين
نكورو او تولا ودا ترنكلا هاي
of course
الى صومالينا فين تولا ما عنده انا سكو بس كو بدل رتابه
وا city it's already city it's already city so it is the fourth biggest city in Kenya حاجة أقول لك مين إيمان ميا أدي أنا قديش أنت وأنا بهالكان
أنا كهايو
جاسكا ريفر سايد ما حسوستي يا تقني أقوى أوريد كان كأوتشي دان ناي باس بالي هذا ومتك ميدا كامل أبوه وين هي dalka Kenya مول كان واحد ريفر سايد مول meel ka mid oo loo soo mashqo tago waay magaalada. sartaas waxaa la yidhaahaa Tower 1 waa sarta ugu dheer magaalada Nakuru. Tower 1
To cover yourself.
to cover yourself
Yeah.
because you are going in a long trip.
No.
Yeah, adigu Somali
My
waa.
insurance was
Are you Somali?
expired.
I'm not Somali, but I'm Kenyan.
Somalis are not Kenyan?
You know, when you say Somali, maybe say Muslim.
Yeah.
We don't call them Somali, we call them Muslim.
Uh,
Because Muslim is part of being a
you look
Kenyan.
like Somali. Do you know that?
I don't know.
Which
Speak like 5 languages.
5 language?
Yeah.
Which one?
Kikuyu,
Yeah,
Masai,
yeah.
I don't know, 5 but
Kiswahili. Yeah.
English.
Nice to meet you. But you don't want to say where you're from. Yeah.
Right
Thank
now.
you. Thank you, James.
Okay.
See you, yeah.
Safe journey, bro.
Inshallah.
Yeah, have a nice time and safe travel.
Thank you.
He's a good guy.
It's good guy. Yeah, I know. So this guy, gaarigana wadanaa maanta. Inshallah. Hey, let's go.
Yeah?
Not James. The other guy.
The other guy,
Yeah.
the one who is riding a bike.
Yeah.
We have said he came to drive all. What
I asked which tribe he's from.
I don't know him by the way.
He said, I don't want to say.
Really?
Yeah. He's the first person who don't want to tell.
Talk about the tribe.
Huh?
I don't know why he is not willing to talk about his tribe.
Yeah.
But in Kenya, we
Yeah.
have so many tribes.
I know, and most of the people are proud about their tribes.
Yeah.
Actually, I was riding with someone else yesterday. He was complaining. He said, in this road, there is a lot of Kalanchinis drive,
Yeah.
and they drive very badly. He said, "Is that true?
The Kalenjins, they are rough drivers.
They are rough drivers.
They are very rough.
They are very famous."
I don't know whether it's because the president is a Kalenjin.
Yeah.
They feel like they own the country. I don't
Ah,
understand.
they are spoiling.
Yeah.
So you are very open about speaking about tribes.
Yeah, in Kenya we don't have a limitation of tribe.
Yeah,
Speaking about the tribe,
yeah,
the limitation that we have
yeah.
is talking ill
Talking bad about other tribes.
about other tribes.
That's very good.
Yeah.
But as long as it is knowing each other and
There is
explaining
no,
and
yeah.
that's
Even
okay.
We have what we call tribe nights.
Tribe nights.
Yeah, like in Kikuyu,
Yeah.
we usually have something that we call Mugithi night.
Mungivi.
Mugithi night.
What's that mean?
That means
Yeah.
that you are going somewhere like the Kikuyu tribe only.
Yeah.
They are dancing and playing their own music.
Ah.
Their tribal music.
Okay.
We have Luos, they have what they call the Ohangala night.
Yes.
We have Kalenjins,
Yeah.
they have the Kalenjin nights.
Okay.
So we are like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you exactly to show your cultures.
Yeah, to show your culture.
Yes.
And you are proud of your culture
Yes.
and such kind of things.
That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. Even voting,
Yeah.
when you're voting elections.
Yeah, mostly it is based on tribal things.
Tribal things,
Mostly.
mostly.
Like what I have told you,
Yeah.
it's like right now, we
Yeah.
have a Kalenjin president.
Yeah.
A Kalenjin president,
Yeah.
you can see many people, many
Yeah.
Kalenjin, they
Yeah.
feel like they are the ones who owns the government
Ah.
more than the rest.
Okay. So the tribe who has the power
Yeah,
feels
it's
that they
very-
have to protect the government.
Exactly.
I understand. I think that's the same with Somalis too. Yeah, instead of tribes, we have clans in Somalia.
Oh, you have clans.
Yeah, we are one tribe, but in the tribe we have clans because Somalis are one tribe. It is like Kikuyus, Kalenjins, but they are in there is sub clans.
Oh, okay.
So the clan who has the power feels that they own the government.
Oh.
So I believe we are all Africans.
Yeah.
We have same manners and cultures. Yeah. weli waxaanu ku sii jirnaa safarkeennii soo ujeedaan waxaan ka sii baxaynaa magaalada Nakuru. Dragon fruit. لا هنا لا ودنا كسيتنا. بالكان.
يعني
But very expensive بالكان. شوفت. هذا وحنا القصي هالك حبون لو بقول يكونتن بوب. ولا بقول يكونتن شلين. أو دي أنت. هالك دولار بقول لا تاني سجار شلين. So هذيك $1 يبقى. لكن سيد عادي ده. مركز صوص صاري. كوب واحد برودكشن كيف عبطي هذا لا أقول لكم تبع it's very sweet and healthful راح أكون كذا فايبر راح أسوي إنسان ما أنت نكاد وما لنا محوها عنا يعني حاولوا بدن بس كذا يقال Lake Alimentator. Yeah, what's the difference between Lake Nakuru and this one?
This is a bit salty than Lake Nakuru.
The Lake Nakuru is salty too, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is saltier.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this lake, it is small.
Small, yeah. Nakuru is bigger.
Yeah. No, both of them, they are like, okay, that one is inside the national public, they are inside the national park.
Yeah.
So this one is national reserve.
Yeah.
There are some animals
What are
like
they?
buffaloes and such.
Yeah.
They do stay along that place.
Okay. Can you say it again? What's the name? Native Alimentator.
I know, I'll be right there. Ah! Garab gay, طلعت.
Why? What's the name of this place?
Last
This
week.
is called Kikopi.
Kikope.
Yeah, Kikopi.
What does it mean?
But Kikopi Center is over there,
Yeah.
where we have so many, you know, nyama choma.
Nyama.
The morning hours.
Yeah.
You can get them here around this
Okay.
place. Even so many monkeys.
Monkeys.
Abo. Hello, عرفت أنا أركب.
weli waxaan ku jirnaa safarkeennii aan kaga nimid magaalada Nakuru oo aan ugu soconay magaalada Nairobi. Waxaan kaali shidaal ah. Run ahaantii waddankan maasha Allah aad buu u horumarsan yahay. Meesha waxaa ku yaalla cuntooyin kala nooc ah. Daartii inaad cuntid. Musqulihii bay leedahay. Nairobi iyo Nakuru 3 saac ayaa loo kala socdaa. haddii aad rabto inaad fiidiyoyadeedu aysan ku dhaafin subscribe garee asxaabtaadan la qaybso si ay uga faa'iidaan akhbaaradka informationada aan soo gudbinayno. halkaan aan istaagnay ciyaal yaryar baa ila socda markaa xoogaa waxaan uga gadayaa cunto. Balkaas waxaa la yidhaha mandazi. That's mandazi, yeah? You call it mandazi?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Just wonder. Are you preparing now?
Chips?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. How long it will take?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Hello,
Yes.
how are you?
I'm good. Yeah.
My name is Samuel,
Yeah.
and I operate this place.
Sorry?
I operate this place.
Okay.
I can see you are taking a video.
Yeah.
Intention?
Yeah.
You like our place, or you want to?
I like
our
your
place?
place. It's very beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah. So I'm telling people.
Los Monica.
Yes. They are very lovely.
They are lovely.
Actually, they are the one who catch my attention.
All right.
So you have to give them credit about it. Because I was going by and they say
Karibu,
Karibu.
and you came.
Yeah, very good people you have here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm humbled.
Yeah.
So she's a good girl.
Yes.
And we have for many years.
Yes.
She's a very good girl.
It's very good. I can see it.
And I'm happy that you say the same.
Yeah. I can spot
You can.
a good person, even if I don't know.
Thank you.
Thank you for approaching me.
Most welcome, brother.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I will say a good word. Yes, you're welcome. meesha waxay ninkii meesha lahaa baa yimid wuxuu dhahay waadna duubaysaa meesheeda ma ka heshay haa baan ku yidhi meeshiina waa ka helay meel fiican weeye maasha allah. Kenya waa hakuna matata ya problem meeshan kama jiro. Why is she doing like that?
She was letting.
I know,
kids,
but she just changed her mind.
Just changed the lane. I
Yeah.
wasn't expecting.
Idiga iskuulkiina saas uma dad badna.
This place.
Ah,
This place is one of the coldest places.
one of the
Coldest.
Aamus
One of the coldest places.
aamus waxbaa lii sheegayaa.
Yeah, this area.
One of the coldest places
Yeah, one of the coldest places in
in
Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is called Magumu.
What's the name?
Magumu.
Magumu.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is in a county called Nyandarua County.
What's the name of the county?
Nyandarua.
Nanagwa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nyandarua County.
So it's in the middle.
Yeah, it's the middle.
Yeah. There's a lot of farmers here.
Yeah. This is a local market.
Local markets.
Yeah.
Vegetable.
Yes?
Vegetable.
Yeah, vegetables. And mostly potatoes.
Ah.